Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to remove or disable BitLocker encryption in Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now the case is when you open your file explorer, okay, and when you view your this PC, and here at the devices and drives, here at your USB or flash drive, you'd be able to see an icon here, which is a lock icon, meaning that you have the enabled mistakenly your BitLocker encryption in your flash drive. So in order to fix such, you'll be performing an easy step. In my case, I don't have such, but in your case, you have that. Please follow the steps that I'll be showing you, okay? In this video, I'm gonna teach you how. Just have to close this window first, and then here at the bottom search bar, please type for Windows PowerShell, or simply type for PowerShell and wait until a best match, which is a system called Windows PowerShell, will appear. Here, you need to click on Run as Administrator. The moment you've clicked on it, your user account control will ask you to say yes, just go with yes, so that you would be able to give permission on running the Windows PowerShell as administrator. So here you need to type a command, okay? Just have to post this video so that you can take a note of this commands, or you can simply take a picture, or take a screenshot of this video. Okay, no worries for that. Anyway, it is a short command, so you can follow this, okay? So just have to type it here and then click on enter. Again, it is managed BDE. Let me just read it. Manage dash BDE space dash status. Okay. Here you need to look for your drive. Okay. In my case, the protection status is off. That's why I'm not getting the locked icon or the bit encryption icon in my computer. Okay. So just have to identify your drive by identifying the drive letter. In my case, it is NM. How you can identify, okay? Just have to go with your file explorer, and then here it is. It is enclosed with a parenthesis. Okay. So just have to go back here and then select your drive. Okay. So in my case, it is in letter M. And the moment you have identified it, you need to type for disable dash BitLocker space dash mount point, then your driver. Okay. Just type it here. Again, it is disable dash BitLocker space dash mount point, then your driver. Okay. So the moment you have typed your driver, just have to click on enter. In my case, I will not click on enter because I have disabled the BitLocker encryption in my case. That's why I'm not getting the error. But in your case, you have to proceed. Simply click on enter so that you would be able to proceed on the process. And once it is being done, just have to type for manage dash BDE space dash off, then your driver again. Okay? Just type this manage dash BDE space dash off, then your driver. So I'm gonna paste it here for you to have reference on how to paste it, okay? Or how to type it, okay? So just have to type for manage dash BDE space dash off space M colon, okay? And then click on enter. Okay. So the moment you've the click on it, you'd be able to change the protection status into off like mine. Okay. So check if your problem has been fixed. If yes, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.